Hearty welcome to Narayana Nursing Institutions at Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Narayana Nursing Institutions are established and managed by Narayana Educational Society, Nellore, under the able guidance of its chairman, Dr. P. Narayana, a high-profile academician and visionary with a mission. Narayana Nursing Institutions are located in the campus of Narayana Group of Medical Institutions in a beautiful and health atmosphere. The prime objective of nursing education is to prepare the student nurses to assume responsibilities in creative, preventive and promotive levels of healthcare at national and international levels. Salient features: nursing institutions are located in own buildings, well-ventilated and furnished classrooms with modern teaching techniques like audio-visual aids, etc. Fully equipped laboratories as per INC norms. Well-ventilated and furnished library with 3,000 books. And 30 journals. Well-equipped computer lab with internet and Medlar facility. Clinical training facility in more than 1,000-bedded Narayana Medical College Hospital with super specialty services just adjacent to nursing institutions. Direct patient care in ICU, operation theatre and in special areas by student nurses under the supervision of faculty. Teaching of medical subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology to nursing students by the senior medical faculty of Narayana Medical College. Special concentration on individual student. Continuous monitoring of students by faculty. Academic assessment periodically to improve the skill of students. Study skill development program for all the students. Recreation facilities including indoor and outdoor games. Regular free medical checkup, regular social activities and submission of projects, training in rural and urban health centers and participation in community health programs. Well-ventilated and fully furnished hostel with mess facilities. Achieving 100% results with high number of distinctions. Other institutions: Narayana Dental College at Nellore, Narayana Engineering College at Nellore, Narayana Engineering College at Goodur, Narayana College of Physiotherapy at Nellore, Narayana College of Medical Lab Technology at Nellore, Narayana Paramedical Institutions at Nellore, 61 Narayana Junior Colleges, Narayana Coaching Centers and Narayana IIT Academies throughout the state of Andhra Pradesh, New Delhi and Kota. For details, contact Narayana Nursing Institutions, Chintareddypalam, Nellore 2, Andhra Pradesh. Phone 0861 2317969.